Data analysis. Understand business requirements and work with stakeholders to define key performance indicators and metrics that need to be visualized. Data integration. Connect Tableau to different data sources, including databases, spreadsheets, and APIs, and refresh data on a regular basis. Data preparation. Extract, clean, and transform data from various sources, ensuring data quality and consistency. Data modeling. Design and develop data models that support the visualization needs, including defining relationships between data tables. Data visualization. Create interactive and informative data visualizations, dashboards, and reports using Tableau Desktop. Calculations and customizations. Implement calculated fields, parameters, and other Tableau features to create custom calculations and dynamic visualizations. Dashboard design. Design and develop intuitive and user-friendly dashboards that enable users to explore data and gain insights. Performance optimization. Ensure that Tableau dashboards and reports are optimized for performance, so they load quickly and handle large datasets efficiently. User training and documentation. Provide training and documentation to end users, explaining how to use the Tableau dashboards effectively. Data storytelling. Craft compelling narratives with data and communicate findings effectively to non-technical stakeholders. Collaboration. Collaborate with other team members, including data engineers, data scientists, and business analysts, to ensure data and visualization projects align with organizational goals. Security. Implement data security measures and ensure that sensitive data is appropriately protected in Tableau Server or Tableau Online environments. Automation. Develop scripts or workflows to automate data extraction, transformation, and loading ETL processes, as well as dashboard updates. Version control. Use version control tools to manage Tableau workbooks and maintain a history of changes. Maintenance and support. Monitor the health of Tableau server environments and provide support and troubleshooting when issues arise. Performance monitoring. Regularly assess the performance of Tableau dashboards and reports, making improvements as necessary. Data governance. Ensure data governance and data quality standards are met in Tableau development projects. Project management. Manage Tableau development projects, including gathering requirements, setting priorities, and meeting deadlines. Business domain knowledge. Develop an understanding of the specific industry or domain in which you work to create more contextually relevant data visualizations. Continuous learning. Stay updated with the latest Tableau features and best practices to continuously improve skills and stay relevant in the field. Thank you for watching the video. If you like it, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and like Facebook page.